2018 Nissan Kicks is restyled, renamed Juke replacement. Wanting to get the young market, Nissan says the Kicks will appear on parts for under $19,000. At any rate, for the passage level less demonstrate. The low cost should enable it to battle against vehicle stalwarts like the Honda Civic, alongside hybrid rivalry like the Ford EcoSport and Toyota CHR. The SV and senior trims will probably push the Kicks well finished the $20,000 hindrance. There's likewise the issue of youthful purchasers totally dodging vehicles pitched to them. Look no more distant than Scion for confirmation. There's no manual transmission, and no all-wheel drive. Yet the people at Nissan say relatively few in their objective statistic are hoping to push their own particular apparatuses. They talk diversely about the all-wheel drive framework, implying that coming later on, the Kicks offers intriguing standard security highlights like self-sufficient crisis braking and forward crash caution. Whatever is left of Nissan's wellbeing suite is accessible at a cost. Anticipate that the Nissan Kicks will hit merchants in June 2018. Wesley Wren.